everyone, thank you so much for visiting my channel once again. This is Simply Kiwi. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you can receive notifications on when I upload a new video. And today I'm coming in with an Easter inspired manicure. As you can see, I think this turned out very well. I'm going to go ahead and show you the items that I'm using today to start this little Easter manicure. I am using this polish here, which is a Wet n Wild polish. And it doesn't have a name. At the very bottom of it does have the number J, or the letter J and the number 14. So it's a J14 for this beautiful pink polish. Then I've got Wet n Wild, which is a blue. This is J7. Then I've got the yellow. And this is J20. I will also, I've also used this Broadway Nails as my base color. And it is called Queen of Evening. And it's a metallic silver color. But you can use any color you choose as your base. You can use a white as your base, but I just decided to use that color. I've also used Paparazzi clear top coat. And of course I will end the manicure with Seche Vite, which is a quick drying top coat. I'm also using this liquid latex tape from Pueen because I'm going to do some stamping today. I'm also going to be using Pueen, and this is the pure white color, and this is a stamping polish. My Born Pretty stamp, my cotton claw to clean up my plate, a pair of tweezers to lift the latex off my fingers when I'm done, my cleanup brush, which is a little dirty because I just used it, but this is going to be my cleanup brush, my scraper, and the plate I'm using today is a Born Pretty plate, which is L07, I'm sorry, BP L020. And I'm going to try to angle it so you can kind of see it, the glare. But I will be using this image right here. Let's see if I can show that to you a little bit clearer, so if it'll focus. So it'll be this image right, where is it? Right here. That's the image I'll be stamping with today. So this is the completed right hand, and I'm going to show you how to do this is completed right hand. I'm going to show you how to do the left hand. I'm going to get it right in a minute, y'all. But let me show you how I do the left hand. And let me open up my polishes. And what I did on each finger is just rotate the colors. And what I also like to do is I like to, when I put the three colors on, I like to do it at an angle. And just a tad of polish, but I like to do it. And let me say this, let me back up, because I want you to know that after I did my coat of the Broadway Nails, I did put a top coat of Seche Vite to smooth the surface so that I can go ahead and put the next color of polish, and then I will go and give you the next step after that. But let me go ahead and start with the yellow. I'm not putting very much on the brush. but I'm just going at an angle. Trying to get deep in that corner, but I'll have to use my orange stick because I know I'm gonna make a mess. But I just like to go at an angle. And I'll just take my orange stick, dip it in some acetone, and just clean around the edges as I go, so I won't have so much of a cleanup. Then I'm going to go with my pink. And this doesn't have to be perfect, guys, because if you're stamping, it doesn't have to be perfect. See, I'm just going at an angle. And then this pretty periwinkle blue. And that's just the first coat. And I'll just go ahead and start on the next, and then I'll rotate it and go back and give another swipe of color on top of that. I'm going to start off on this nail with the blue and kind of swirl it. Take my orange stick and acetone and clean that up. And I did mess up that up a little bit, but that's no big deal. Like I said, I'm going to go back over it anyway. And then I'm going to go with the yellow next. And I'm kind of just going over the previous color, like I said, just a tad. But like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Missed a little spot here with the yellow, so I just dab just a bit. And then I can go back to my other nail, put a second topping over it, and just gently swipe it over. And like I said, if it overlaps on the other color, that's fine. It's, like I said, it's not going to be a big deal because we're going to stamp over it anyway. Now I can get back in that edge. Okay guys, I am back and I have an opportunity to put on my clear coat again, which is the paparazzi. And what I did was I would go in the direction that I did the polish, so I would do it diagonally with the clear top coat, which is the paparazzi. Once that kind of dried a little bit, I then put on Seche Vite, which is a quick, dry, fast drying top coat. And I just put that on as a regular polish. I didn't put it on diagonally. I did that because I did not want the polish to smear when going in the normal direction of the polish. So I did the, like I said, I did the clear top coat diagonally, so when I put the Seche Vite on top, it wouldn't smear. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with the stamping. Again, I'm going to use the Born Pretty plate, which is L020. And again, I'm going to use this image right here. And I'm going to get my scraper, my stamp. I got to clean it off with my lint roller. And I need to get a new strip off of it. And then also my cotton cloth. And let me get my stamping polish. And let's see here. So we can let you see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to go all over the image. And then again, scrape at a 45-degree angle. Oh, dropping my stamper. And there you go. There's the image. Right there, if you can see it. And I'm going to line that up on my nail. And roll it a bit. And you know what I just forgot to do? Put my liquid latex on. And I'm just gonna, I didn't line that up very well, as you can see, but that's okay. We're gonna keep rolling on this one. That's what I usually do. Kind of, once you dip it in the acetone, it kind of melts the polish away. And peel that off, get that off of there. And then the thumb, I don't know if you can see that. See the thumb? Let me see if I can get it in. Yeah, get it in frame. And just go around the edges a little bit with the acetone. Kind of get those liquid latex corners up so I can peel it up with the tweezers and just get the little white polish off the edges. And there you go. Now you've got your Easter mani. And again, if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Click on your like button and also share the video. If you have any comments, go ahead and put those in the comment section. I will also put in the comment section the items that I've also used that I've discussed today. And again, until next time, smooches.